Okay, welcome to the Grandma and Cohen Show. And what are we making today, Cohen?
Apple pie.
Apple pie. What's it for? What's going to happen on Thursday?
I'm going to be wearing and we're going to make for Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, that's right. And lots of relatives are going to be there to eat. And Marcy's going to make pumpkin and pecan. And Grandpa's favorite is apple pie. So we're going to make some apple pie, even though he likes pecan too. We went to the store and we bought Pillsbury Pie Crust because we didn't want to make our pie crust, did we, Cohen? Yeah. We wanted them where they're already done. So we're first gonna unroll this pie crust. So it looks like a cigar, so we have to pick it from right here. Well, you can see it's not the easiest thing to do. Even though it looks like it's a giant cigar, it's not real easy. I'm just making a decorative crust the best I know how. You just kind of take your finger and pinch it in. That's kind of how my mom taught me. So if the crusts are refrigerated, which ours was, it says to let it go in the microwave for at least 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds defrosted. And then it's just easier to put down into your pie pan. And then if you do it by just letting it sit out, it should sit out for like 15 minutes. So our top crust, which is over here, is going to be sitting out for the 15 minutes while we mix up the inside of our pie. So we're gonna sit that across and let's bring the apples over here. Okay, so we're squirting on 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, real lemon juice. It's enough just to go ahead and cover the apples with so that they don't turn brown. Okay, next thing, let's put this to the side. Okay, now this is 1 cup of granulated sugar. So throw that on, Cohen. All of it. Thank you. Some people like it a little less sweet, so they'll use maybe 3/4 of a cup. And it depends on too, like the type of apples that you use as to how much sugar you would put in with it. If it's a sweeter apple, you wouldn't have to use as much sugar. If it's a more tart apple, you would want to use more sugar. Okay, the next thing Cohen is going to throw in is the 2 tablespoons of flour.
Okay, I'm going to put it like
all around.
A little bit right here. A bit right here.
Thank you. Now this flour helps to thicken it up. Okay, next ingredient. Okay, is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
I'm gonna put it out.
Okay, wait till I get this stir up first. Stir it up. Are you tasting it? Does it smell good? That's what goes on cinnamon toast. Is it too bitter? Yeah, it's kind of bitter if you don't have sugar with it. Okay, throw it in. Okay, do we get all of it out? Yep, we got it all out. Okay, so we're gonna stir that together. Ooh, look at that. It's starting to look good. Okay, and just a dash of salt. So what you're gonna do is take your salt shaker and just go ch-ch-ch. Good job. Okay, enough. Okay, thank you. We don't want it too salty because some people might have high blood pressure, like Grandma. And so we gotta be careful of how much we put in it. And then just a dash of nutmeg.
I'll do it.
Okay. That's enough. That's just a dash. Okay. Got the lid on it? Okay.
Put it there.
Okay, now what are we gonna do with this after we get it all mixed up?
Mix it up.
We're gonna put it in the pan. Can you pull the pan over?
Yep, I'll move it.
Good job. Good deal. Okay, does it look like it's pretty mixed?
Yep.
Yep, looks mixed to me.
Okay,
so next thing we want
to get to mix it.
Okay, you want to mix it? Okay, you can mix on it.
Ooh, this is good.
It smells good too. Did you smell it?
It smells like lemon.
No, it smells like cinnamon, yeah. What all did we put in there again? Flour, salt, apples, cinnamon, sugar. Do we like sugar?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we do. We love sugar. Okay, now you're going to pick up the whole bowl to throw it in? Or do you think it's too heavy? Did Grandma help?
Yeah.
Yay! Whoa! Okay, a couple of them went out, but that's okay. Our table's clean because we washed our table before we started. We want to get every little tidbit out of there, don't we, Cohen? Okay, so the last stop is to take your second pie crust that came in this box over here and just lay it on top. Right, Cohen?
Yum.
Yum. Okay, so now we're gonna put the two crusts together and then we're gonna vent it, which means you just go like this and like this. Okay, we're gonna pinch the two crusts together like this. And you're just kind of feeling for your under the crust one and you're trying to like pinch them together. Right, Cohen?
Yeah.
Come bring your dinosaur over here and join me at the table.
I just ate it.
Yeah, he's wanting to eat it, isn't he? Because he's a hungry dinosaur.
I'm so hungry.
So the last step before you stick it in the oven is a tiny bit of butter. So we're just gonna kind of go like this and rub it down. Okay. And then we're gonna sprinkle on a little bit more of the sugar. Because everything's better with sugar, right, Cohen?
Yeah.
Okay. And then a tiny bit more of the cinnamon. Okay, so here's our apple pie for Thanksgiving. And you bake it 1 hour at 375. So we'll check back with you and let you know how it turned out. Okay, Cohen, what do you think?
Good.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's our apple pie. After 64 minutes is what we cooked it because we had 8 apples inside it. So we want to make sure all the apples got cooked, didn't we? So it's really hot. So we're gonna let it cool and then we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil and take it for Thanksgiving, which is day after tomorrow. And you know the best way to eat it, Cohen? With vanilla ice cream on top. So don't forget, make your pies for the holiday. Bye. Oh, remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Right, Cohen?
The Cohen and Namah Show. Bye.